Hey y'all, and welcome back. Today we're doing an easy dessert using strawberries. They're called deviled strawberries. Let's get started. You'll only need just a few ingredients: cream cheese, sour cream, some whipped cream, your strawberries, and some sweetener. And a topping if you like graham crackers or any kind of little cookies you might want to crumble up. Today we're going to be using some cereal in place of our cookies. Let's get started making our easy deviled strawberries. Okay, the first thing you want to do is wash your strawberries, and we've already washed and cut the tops off. So now we're just going to cut them in half, and this takes a while, but I'm going to show you what you have to do. You can either use your knife and just sort of cut out the center of your strawberry. Real easy. You're just really taking that white part of the strawberry out. Or you can use like some kind of little spoon and just sort of take your spoon and run it down the middle and scoop it out. Okay, so that's how you do that part. So let me get all these done. And now if you're thinking about doing this recipe, when you're buying your strawberries, try to get the biggest ones you can find, because they work better than these small ones. But this is all my store had, so I had to go with the smaller type strawberries. Okay, now that we've got our strawberries prepared, we got to work on the filling. So right here we have a half a block of cream cheese, and it's room temperature. I've got it soft. To that, we're going to add 1/4 of a cup of sour cream. We're going to add 1/4 cup of our sour cream. And you can add about 1/4 of a cup of white sugar. But today I'm going to use my stevia drops for my sweetener. And then we're just going to give this a mix. Now if you would want to, you could use a blender, but if you've got your cream cheese to room temperature soft, it's just as easy to go ahead and mix it by hand. Now we're going to add in about 1/2 of a teaspoon of vanilla. That's about what I got left right there. I'm just going to go ahead and add it all. Give that a mix. Okay, and once you have your mixture smooth and everything combined good, now we're going to take our whipped topping, our Cool Whip, and we're going to put around 1/4 of a cup of our Cool Whip. And I'm not going to measure that, I'm just going to eyeball it. But you want to put that in last. And if you want to, you could even make your own with your heavy cream. But we're just using this store-bought Cool Whip today to fold in. And like I said, you want to add that last. And now we're just going to fold in our Cool Whip to our cream cheese. And if you're using the blender, on this part, don't use the blender, just fold it in, because you don't want to break down your Cool Whip all the way. Okay, Okay, now that we've got all that mixed together, we're going to start placing it in our strawberries. You can use the spoon, or if you had a piping bag, you could actually pipe it in the strawberry. Okay, I'm just going to take my spoon and we're just going to start putting it in our strawberries the best we can without a piping bag. Now this right here would be a great little dessert to take if you was going to like a party or a cookout. Had to clean my spoon off so we can get just a little bit at a time. And put in our strawberry. You just take your mixture and fill each of your strawberries up as much as you can. And this tastes just like, almost like a strawberry cheesecake. So if you like strawberry cheesecakes, you're gonna love this dessert. Okay, this is the last one. We're only making a few, but you could make a whole bunch more if you was having like a big party. And now we're going to take some of our Cinnamon Toast Crunch cereal that's low in sugar and high in protein and put on top of each one of our strawberries. Now you don't have to put anything on top if you don't want to. That's up to you. You could put any kind of little cookie that you have. You could even use a graham cracker. You could even drizzle a little chocolate on top. Now we're just going to plate them up. And now, y'all, we're just going to place these in the fridge and let them chill for around an hour or so before we get ready to eat them. I hope y'all give these a try. They're easy, they're simple, and they're a delicious little idea to do with strawberries. Y'all, I hope you liked that quick video on making these stuffed strawberries. If you think you might give it a try, comment down below. And if you liked our video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Like, share, and subscribe if you hadn't already. Thanks for watching.